Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to restart using shortcut key in laptop. This guys very easy and very simple method to restart using shortcut key in laptop or PC. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First, in your keyboard you can see the Wind key, or we can say window key. Press and hold it and click on the X. And this type of interface you can see in your desktop, and here you can see so many functions are there. Just we have to go it, shut down and click on this restart button. Guys, very easy and very simple method. Again I will show you. Press and hold window key plus X, and here you can see the option shut down. Just go it, and here you can see the option restart. Just click on it. This guys very easy and very simple method to restart using shortcut key in laptop. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please visit again.